Hello and welcome to this SDTR Alarms fire alarm system test. Today we have some rare Wheelock, I guess 7000 series devices. So right here we have a 7001T. We also have a fire control instruments, FCI, MS2. I was gonna say Firelight, but I had to save it. Right here we have a Wheelock 7001. Yeah. So this one skips really fast, so I don't know what's up with that. Obviously we're running all this on the MS10UD. Right here we have a Pyrotronics 7002. Heard these are pretty rare. It sounds really good, which is fun. And then I need to move that box when it's trip on it. And then right here, this looks like a regular Wheelock 7002T, but actually this is the 4-wire one. So this is a 34T24 WS24 DC, and you'll be able to tell it's 4-wire because it doesn't skip. So I'm gonna go move that box, and then we'll get right into it. So I guess we'll just start right here with the MS2. It's kind of crazy on these how like different the volumes are, because like this one is really loud, and then the 4-wire 7002T is just not very loud. All right, now we're gonna go for the BG8. You have to do this upside down. Okay, there we go. Back the enunciator and reset. I mean, it's still really loud, but comparatively speaking, it's not as loud. Alright, should I hit the drill switch real quick? And we'll call it a day. Well, I think that's going to be about it for this system test. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.